I'm Ashton Addison from EventChain.io for Investment Pitch Media and FinTech News Network. Today on Blockchain Interviews, we have Marina Codaro from Lydia Capital. Nice to have you here, Marina.
Thank you.
Awesome. So could you please start with just telling us a little bit about Lydia Capital?
Sure. So Lydia Capital is a fund that helps investors diversify into cryptocurrency, right? So basically, Lydia acts as the bridge between the high net worth investors and the crypto investment opportunity. So it's for people actually that investors that are not familiar with crypto or ICOs, right? And they want to have exposure and be able to invest in this type of assets. So be part of the revolution. So that's what we do. They don't want to worry about it, right? So we know these type of technologies and platforms are not easy to use for everyone. And there's people that they just want to invest because they know it's great, they know it's the future. So they don't want to spend time on it, so we do it for them.
Hey, that's perfect. I know there's, less than 1% of the world that's actually invested in cryptocurrencies themselves. Yet there's so many people in the traditional financial market that want to invest in blockchain, but they don't really know how.
Yeah, so true.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, we do that. So basically, that's the idea of Lydia Capital. And the company also organizes annual investment summits to act as a forum for the investors to meet with the ICO founders to learn more also about blockchain space. So we're not to be clear on this, we're not an event planning company. We just host these events with the only goal of connecting people with shared interest in beautiful destination. And basically for the partners of Lydia to really get to know the people behind the ICOs and these companies, right? These projects. So it's not a typical conference where you just get to know someone, chat for 2-3 minutes, exchange business card, and then just go. This is really a selected crowd spending together 2-3 days, getting to know each other and building long-lasting relationships.
That's great. So could you guys, I know that you guys recently had a summit in Argentina. Could you tell us a little bit about that? And then I know we'll hear about some upcoming events as well.
Yeah, so we hosted an amazing event in Argentina past March. It was a 3-day conference at the Altcoin mansion in Buenos Aires. And then we went to a vineyard in Mendoza that's called Altcoin Wine Estates. And it was great. The attendees were a mix of ICOs, investors of Lydia, other private investors, educational speakers, and they came from all over the world, They came down to Argentina from London, Miami, New York, Dubai, Spain, well, I don't know, many more. And it was great because it wasn't just a conference. They had all the talks, the educational talks and the ICO pitches, but we actually got to network over sports and wine tastings and amazing food and wines. And Lydia actually invested in many of the companies who came to the event, which was the main goal of the event, right? Just to get to know the projects and build long-term relationships and build trust and see if we can do business together.
Definitely. And hey, that sounds amazing because I know there's a lot of conferences, a lot of either projects, angel investors, networkers are looking to go to, specifically to do networking and investing. So to have a more exclusive event where the firm that's hosting the event actually is sort of picking out making it more of an exclusive crowd and then investing in a lot of the projects that come, that sounds like a really promising opportunity.
Yes, we have a very selected crowd. We pick everyone, and the events are by invitation only. So it's a really selected crowd. Either if you're an ICO raising capital, or you are an investor, or you're just someone interested in blockchain and wine, wanted to meet interesting people, you can be sure that that's like a good fit for you.
That's great. So we've heard a little bit about the Argentina summit. Could you speak a little bit on the upcoming summit? I think it's called Crypto Castles or somewhere at a castle. Could you explain a little bit about that?
It's called Crypto Castle. So it's our next event, and it's going to follow the the same format as the Argentina one did because it was very successful and people loved it. This is in a castle in France. It's a chateau for I think it's actually more than 1,000 years old. It's
Wow.
a great, yeah, it's amazing. It's also a vineyard, and we're gonna host it there. We're gonna have a conference with an accounting, a legal, and a marketing panel, as well as the blockchain talks and the ICO pitches. And we're gonna include a battle of the exchanges now. And also, we have a crypto queen hosting the event.
Oh, wow.
Gillian Gottsil just confirmed she's going to chair the event for us. So we're very happy to have her. And all that content, it's going to be paired with a wine tasting, sports, activities, networking, events, and amazing chef. And I think I'm going to keep some details to myself to be a surprise for the attendees, but it's going to be great. You should come, Ashton.
That sounds amazing. I will definitely do my best to get there. So the Chateau's in France. So when is the event exactly, and when am I able to start applying to come?
So the applying process is open. We're doing some deals until the end of May for early bookings. It's from the 5th to 7th of September. It's a castle in Osenay. It's a region it's close to Lyon in the south of France. It's in between Lyon and Geneva.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yeah.
That's great. So is there anything specific that Lydia Capital is looking for in an investment when they're at these conferences?
Okay, so yeah, of course. I'm going to be super brief about this as I'm not an expert. I'm the event director, but I can say that in general terms, Lydia has to identify the potential of the company to make profit, of course. Obviously, we're a fund and this is our main goal, obviously. But look, we have a great team. Mark Ascent is one of our partners, that he has been an investor and an entrepreneur for a big portfolio of digital businesses for over 20 years. He has founded and co-founded ClickSco Group, Dine and Gift, AdFlyer, iBooking, Rest Diary that has recently been acquired by Accord. And so he's reviewing every investment Lydia makes. Also, we have a great group of advisors like Henok Tekel from EventChain. I don't know if you know him. Angel Salazar, who's the creator of Onyx Coin in Venezuela, and Johan van Holstein from Starflow. Wow. Along with a group of analysts that they study every investment opportunity we get. So to answer your question, I believe we have different criteria and many things we look at in a firm to invest, but you can be sure we have a great team to back up every decision on our investments.
That's great to hear. So if we're looking to learn more about the Lydia Capital team or about the firm, or we're looking to apply to go to the Chateau Crypto Castles, what's the best way to learn more information?
Okay, so the best place, you can check out our website. Lydia Capital website is www.lydia.capital. There you have the video of our past events, some event reviews from past attendees. Happy to put you in contact with some of them, by the way. We all got a bit friendly. We have a Telegram group and everyone follows up regularly, so that's nice. And then I can send you my Telegram username and my Instagram details, wherever you feel it's good to share, right? You can put it on the comments.
Definitely.
You can contact directly, yeah.
Yeah, that's great. We'll put the community Telegram in the description box, your personal Telegram if people want to reach out about going to the Chateau. And perhaps we could also, maybe we could do some video coverage while we're at the conference or at the summit as well.
That would be great. We actually have a video of the castle and the event, but we can do like a coverage, media press, something. Yeah, sure.
Super
Let's
exciting.
talk about that. Yeah.
That's great. Well, thank you for your time, Marina. I would love to, learn more about it myself, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in France.
You too.
All right.
Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye bye.